It has finally arrived, everybody, and here it is, the Form Foundry Moto Kit for the Sur Ron X. Now, I think this bike looks really awesome blacked out, but the Form Foundry kit is designed to utilize graphics. So our friends at 180 Decals teamed up with us to sponsor this video, and they made a really cool ECR graphics kit for this bike. Alright guys, so the production Form Foundry kit here, I did a video back when it was a prototype, but now that we've got the full production, let's walk around and see all the features of this thing. So you've got your full-size seat, and in order to pop this off to access the battery, you just hit the rear tail light here. That releases the back of the seat, and then you can slide the seat back. Now the seat's off. Easy enough. You still retain all the features to access the locking mechanism, so just grab your key, give it a turn. Now it's full access just like you'd have with your normal battery hatch, and makes it super easy to swap batteries. So pop it back in, click it down, and then this guy just slides back into place, just like that. You've still got access to your charger here. You can still see your battery display and readout. And rest of it's pretty self-explanatory. Fenders, shrouds, and a full-size seat. Let's go ride this thing. Well, I bet you didn't see this coming. Neither did I. We were out here filming some cool action shots of the Sur Ron XX build here with the Form Foundry and 180 Decals kit on it. And I came off of just a little log hit, landed, bike's just shut off on me. I can't figure out what it is, and so now we're just stuck out here in the middle of nowhere. But it's unfortunate because we're going to show you some really cool riding footage with the new kit on the bike. But the bike still looks really cool, doesn't it? It just doesn't go anywhere. So, gonna have to end this video short. Another unfortunate scenario, but that just comes with the territory of, I guess, filming bike content. So the video started out with the hero being the Form Foundry kit and the 180 decals to spruce it up. And it's ending with two new heroes. The Ubco 2x2, our camera bike for pulling us out, and world-renowned cinematographer Luigi piloting the 2x2. A little behind the scenes, day in the life of an electric cycle rider video shoot. It's never as easy as it seems, folks. So, 1 minute you're making a really cool video, the next minute you're getting towed out of the woods by your camera guy Luigi on an Ubco 2x2. What I was hoping to tell you guys during the ride portion of this video is that the Form Foundry kit is a really nice addition to the Sur Ron. It gives you a comfortable seating position, an area to grip with your knees while riding, and it retains all the stock functionality in regards to charging, battery removal, and battery display. The Form Foundry kit was intended to fit the stock Sur Ron battery, but I will be testing out some taller aftermarket batteries to see how they fit with the kit. The full kit is available for purchase now, and you can check it out at 4mfoundry.com for pricing and details. And a big thanks to 180 Decals for making some really cool graphics and sponsoring this video. You can buy this exact graphics kit if you want to have the ECR look, and they also have a bunch of other designs for the Sur Ron and pretty much any other bike that you can think of. We've got a discount code in the description of the video if you want to buy some graphics, so check them out at 180decals.com. I guess we're just going to end this video now.